I'm Swapna Nair and I'm one of the IELTS online trainers at MedCity International Academy, Kottayam. Today we are going to discuss about writing task 1 in academic training, and we will also look into frequently asked questions of writing task 1. Though there are different graphs, today our focus is on how to write a diagram. Now let's have a look into the diagram. The question is, the diagram below shows the multi-stage production of pears as canned fruits, and you can see 14 stages of pears as canned fruits. Here what we see in the diagram is 14 stages where the pears is collected from the farms till the dispatching stage, which is a 14-stage process. Let's look into it. Many of my students are confused with what is the language we need to use here. There are different terms which is very important, and the terms are as follows. In order to mention the beginning of the stages, the useful linking terms are in the beginning, firstly, then to continue with the description, then, secondly, later, next, after that, before, in the following stage, or followed by, in the next step, afterwards, eventually, therefore, thus, hence. Now let's see how we can use these terms in the language. Make sure that all the descriptions must be made into the body paragraphs of the diagram. Here, in the beginning, the fresh pears are picked by hand from the farms, then it is transported and washed. A quality checking is being made, then it goes to the freezing stage, then weighed and grading is done. Afterwards, it is peeled, then coring and slicing, and we can see after that it is canned and sealed. Later it is cooked or sterilized, and labeling is also done, which is the 12th stage of this diagram. Afterwards we could see the storage, and then it goes to the supermarkets. Now let's see the different factors that a candidate must make sure while writing the informations. The first one is that it should be a report-based information. Whatever the details are shown in the illustration, only that must be written into the body paragraphs. Here, we don't need any supporting ideas or reasons. Secondly, the usage of tense. Many of my students have asked me, this is a very frequently asked question, on what tense must be used in order to write down the informations. My suggestion to the candidates is that candidate must make sure whether years are mentioned in the graph or not. If years are mentioned in the graph, they should write the tense accordingly. Or else, if it is not mentioned, it should be written in simple present tense, as it goes as a usual action. Now let's take the case of this particular diagram. Here we have to use simple present tense. Thirdly, it is a confusion regarding where to write the overall. The overall in the second paragraph, that is just after the introduction and before writing the body paragraphs. Next is regarding the detailed descriptions. This should be included into the body paragraphs of the task 1. Provided there should be no reasoning or background information, you have to focus on what is the illustration, and you should only focus on the details in the graph. Those who are not able to attend the regular classes, hurry up. MedCity's IELTS online platform is there for you. Thank you.